hkjetwashing, baby.
Morning. What a nice day then. So if you remember, I've done this drive behind me. Just come to clean the patio today, and then I've got to go and re-sand a driveway and a patio that I cleaned yesterday. Absolutely dead today. That's all I can say. But look at the weather. The weather's nice, so you know, got to get the motivation up. All have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Right, everyone, just walk with me then. So, path's just going over. A light clean. And we've got the block paving patio. Let's have a look. Walk with me. So, there we go. And just these steps. That's it, just a small area today. And then just up here. And that's it.